news about the 2019 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid is spreading like a surge. Be that as it may, the most recent bits of gossip are attempting to unsettle the fans. From a few sources, we can hear the Toyota wouldn't build up a module for the up-and-coming model. In any case, we discovered this a trash, due to the numerous reasons. Significance of the 2019 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid. The module and every electric vehicle are the eventual fate of the business. Everything goes toward this path, and the organizations that attempt to get off the way will see their oversight soon. Additionally, numerous driving nations on the planet are realizing law's greener industry. That is a course of their arrangement, and since these are significant markets on the planet, 2019 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid will be a piece of present-day patterns. When we contrast other mixture vehicles from Toyota and their ordinary kin, we see that the modules help a cost for around $3,000. All things considered, it could be the math for 2019 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid. In any case, we should hold up put stock in sources to leave any sort of data about this truck.